Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Salesforce Cloud, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Salesforce Cloud, start by logging into your Salesforce account. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the gear icon to access the setup menu. In the setup menu, type Salesforce Cloud into the quick find bar. Select Salesforce Cloud from the search results. You will be directed to the Salesforce Cloud setup page. Look for the option to enable or activate the service. Click the activation button or toggle switch next to Salesforce Cloud. A confirmation pop-up may appear. Review the information provided in the pop-up carefully. If everything looks correct, confirm your activation choice. After activation, you may see a success message displayed on the screen. To ensure the service is active, return to the main dashboard. Look for the Salesforce Cloud features available to you. Explore these features to fully utilize your newly activated service. If you encounter any issues, consult the help documentation or contact support for assistance. Congratulations, you have successfully activated Salesforce Cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.